Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to continue with lesson 3 and we are going to learn the letters E and F. In Ekegusii, most of the words start and end with vowels. You know the vowels? A, E, I, O? Yes, those ones. So whenever we get to the letters that begin with the vowels, then yes, baby. Then we are going to have so many words that begin with that particular letter. Now, the letter A in Ekegusii sounds just like that A. And it's E in English. A, B, C, D, E. But in Ekegusii, it's A. We have words that begin with the letter A. For example, Egetabu. Egetabu. Repeat after me. Egetabu. Egetabu. Egetabu means book. Now, A for Egetabu. Egetabu. A for Egetabu. Egetabu. All right. I hope you got that. A is E in English. Now let's move to our next letter. Our next letter is letter F. Letter F. Letter F does not have many words in Ekegusii. It is mostly used in borrowed words. For example, whistle in Kiswahili. So Ekegusii has borrowed this word from Kiswahili. So some of the words that appear in Ekegusii, they are not originally Ekegusii words, but they are borrowed words from English or Kiswahili. So we have a word like firimbi. Firimbi. But sometimes when the Gusii people speak our language, we always place the vowels before the words that we want to speak. So some people will say firimbi, others will say efirimbi. They will still use a before saying the word firimbi. Okay. F for firimbi. Firimbi. F for firimbi. Firimbi.